Welcome to the Rusted Garden Homestead. I'm at Freetown Farm. It's where I volunteer, and I'm also on the board of CEI. I want to show you where your donations went. I've showed you before on my blog. That's the greenhouse original donations helped build. And then most recently, this is the youth garden. We just put in this orchard. There's 7 or 8 trees right here, fruit trees. Rebuilt the fence with new posts, repurposed wire, did all this work on the inside. More fruit trees, blueberry bushes, raspberries, filled up the root pouches, all that cattle panel, put in the frame beds, built this section out. Everything you see here was purchased with the money that you all donated. I greatly appreciate it. I think the youth garden looks beautiful. Now it's almost the middle of November, and please subscribe. You'll see how we build up Freetown Farm. I appreciate you helping us grow, but I really think this looks wonderful. This is a great place for the kids to come in through the different programs here. They can learn to grow, they can harvest the food. Here we go. Thanks. Now let me just keep walking down and just show you all of it. And I can't say it enough. I am so appreciative. Everybody here greatly appreciates everything. That's a fig tree in there. You saw the different fruit trees. And that's the youth garden. So all the money that's been donated up until really the beginning of this month has gone into here. You helped us frame out 16 growing beds, all the cattle panel arches. A lot of the winter crops are still growing, peas that can still be harvested. This is going to be used almost year-round. The only time it's probably going to be shut down is December, January, maybe first half of February. The blueberry plants just went in here. Just wanted to give you a close-up of how the beds were all redesigned. And this is all for the kids. We also had extra money, so we built this. This is made out of cattle panel. And it's just a tunnel. We repurposed wood, built the raised beds. But let me spin around and just show you the youth garden. If you want to continue to donate, all the money goes to building out Freetown Farm or other projects that I kind of identify, but I will let you know. So you can check the video description. There'll be a link to the blog that I update, what we do with all the donation money. This is a mushroom garden in here, but this is where the money that's collected is going to go next. This is for the kids, really. There's a program called Roots and Wings where they teach children. You can see some of the kids up there on the stage. But we need to build playhouses and different things in here for them, so that's going to be the next wave of donations. Thanks again so much. Please check out the video description. Oh, this is going to be for turtles too. So we have chickens, we have turtles. I'm just really happy how well this place is getting built out with all your help. So if you want to donate, check out the video description. Thanks for watching. Just wanted to give you a quick update of what we've been building out over here at Freetown Farm.